Good afternoon. I wasn't going to, but I've decided to join in with Junk Journal January, organised by Meg Journals. Yeah, I wasn't going to, but I thought, yeah, because I watched her thing last night, her introduction to it, and she sort of said, you know, even if you can't keep up with it, just play. So, and I quite enjoy them once I get into them. It's a bit like Defemorember. I was like, oh, what have I done? Such a commitment, but actually it's not that bad. So it's 31 days in January. It's a long month, isn't it? Yeah, so I'm just going to make my journal. So let me talk you through the journal. I recently bought the indigo blue, what was it called? Hang on. They were doing a special kit. I'm coming down with a rotten cold again. I can't believe it. It was a spring florals inspiration and ideas, and in it is all these bits and pieces, a big rubber stamp, some beautiful papers, here, and wooden cutouts, a couple of masks, stencils. I never know the difference. And this makes up to a flower pot with flowers, so which is yeah. All right. So anyway, I bought that kit. I love indigo blue. I've told you this before, but also in there was this chipboard journal, and I just thought that's quite a nice little size. Oh, I apologise for the sniffing now because, yeah, I woke up really groggy this morning. So, I don't know what's going on. I don't know if I'm going to need those, but I'll punch them out anyway. Yeah, so I just thought I would switch on the camera. And where have I got black ink from? Where? No idea. Gosh, that was a bit weird. I can't get these out. Yeah, so it's a very simple ring-bound little journal, and I thought, you know what, that'll be perfect. I haven't got to go mad and do loads. And I thought I'd do gel printing because, or gel and jelly prints. I was going to do a load, but I just don't feel well, so I'm not going to. So I just thought I'd use these ones that I did previously, which are backed onto scrapbook paper card. Now I don't want to see, or paper I should say, I don't want to see this side. So what I was thinking of doing was basically back to backing them, because it's not going to really matter how big this gets, is it? Am I going to run out of room? I could always bind it with string or something, can't I, if I do? We'll see. Let's see how it goes. I'm not going to have enough here because I'm just not. I haven't got 31 sheets, so I've got my folder full of gel prints here. So I'm going to whip through these. I will probably put you on fast forward. I need to measure. I think it's 4x4. Oh, see, good job I measured. So if I do 4 1/4, I can punch the holes there then. Right, so is it 4 1/4 square? No, 4 1/4 by 4 1/2. I'm going to write that down because my brain is like fog at the moment. Right, 4 1/2 tall. I need it in centimetres because my my chopper is in centimetres. So let's go 11 centimetres tall. So if I go 10 1/2, that should be enough. Right, I don't need this for a bit. Let's put this safely somewhere. I've been having a bit of a sort out. It's doing me the world of good. I've got so much just stuff everywhere, you know. So even downstairs I've had a blooming good tidy up. It's the Christmas tidy up, I guess. Right, You can't see much, I don't think, but I'm not worried about white. So I need, that'll be the width. So I need, let's cut my 11 centimetres first of all. If it's got white bits, I don't care. I shall speed you up. Right, so that's all the big ones chopped up. It's going to be very eclectic, isn't it? So, yeah, so what I'm envisaging, I don't want to see these bits in the middle here, so it might end up a bit too thick, but... I'll speed you up again, sorry. Right, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 1, 2, so that's 18. So I need another 6 papers at least. Let me pause you while I find 6 more. Right, I found some more. I've also found these, which are a different paper. I might chop those down. Let me just didn't fold that one very well, did I? Sloppy. They're slightly thinner as well, so that will be good. Now, I mean, obviously I can use that as 4, whereas these are going to be 2. Right, let's just put a load of these in somewhere. Ah, there's only that one that was double-sided. Okay. Well, that's okay. We're putting some plain paper as well, because I've got a load of tissue that's yeah, load of tissue paper that's gel printed. So, and I know one of the clues is translucent. Okay. I forgot my measurements. 11, I can't remember. Oh my god. I wrote it down as well. Yeah, 11. Okay. So if I disperse those through the pack. So these can open this way as well as that way. These I want, actually I want them that way because I want that to be hidden, so I don't want them opening. Right, okay, so that's the spine, that's the spine. Right, let's turn them all round. Spine, sorry, am I making any sense whatsoever? Spine. Spine, that's the paper. Spine, okay. So that might be enough actually. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 28, 30. So I just have to add in 1. That's really cool. Okay, so I didn't need to cut these at all. But I will put in just 1. It's a nice thin one actually. And then, because it's 31 days. Do I need it? Oh, by 21, exactly. Cool. And this one I don't mind being a double as well, so that's fine. I hope that all made sense. Right, spine, spine, spine. Let's put you there. As you're double-sided, that can move back here further. Split these ones up slightly. Let's put you in there. Right, okay, there we are. That was nice and simple, wasn't it? And then, I don't know, I guess I'll try and use as much gel printed paper because I'm in, you know, you saw the, did you see it? I don't know, I didn't look. I mean, this is absolutely round. And then I've got one of those IKEA boxes that is round as well. So I need to start using some, don't I? Okay. So I just need to make a cover. You know, cover the cover, as it were. Now, they are giving away freebies, but I'm not going to use those. I'm not that enamoured. Megan, or well, quite a few of them just like the vintage stuff, and I like it, don't get me wrong, but I also like the modern bright zingy stuff, in case you had never noticed. Right, so I'm going to punch holes in there. I'm going to keep all these scraps because these can go in here, not that one, that one. Yeah, they can be cut up and put in there for whatever the clues are. I haven't even looked. Where are the clues? Where are you? Or prompts, I should say. So resolutions, quote, throwback, tuck spot, daily log, stitch. I know there's a translucent one in there, but I think I'll add translucent stuff on top. Yeah, so anyway, there we are. I'm going to go have a go. Hopefully I'll keep up. And we'll have fun doing that one, because that'll happen straight after December we'll finish, basically. So, anyway, I shall punch the holes. I haven't done a cover yet, as you can see, so maybe I'll do that with you on another video. Maybe at the beginning of January, because it's resolutions. So I could make that my resolution to do that. I'm making it with you now. Right, okay, I'll see you on the next one. Bye.